What is goody, my people? We are back again with another dream. Listen, your boy has done it. You know what I'm saying? Your boy has officially finished getting funded or finished the Forex Funded Challenge in less than a week. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to dive in and show you guys exactly how I was able to do. I'm going to show you guys the winning trade that I took this morning that put my account over the amount that I needed to gain in order to finish the funded challenge. And we're just going to have a great time. So if you're excited for this video, smash the like button. You know what I'm saying? Subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And hit the post notification bell so I'm talking to you. You know what I'm saying? You can be notified whenever I drop one of these gems, because these are the most valuable gems. They're not even just valuable. You know what I'm saying? They valuable and entertaining. I'm not like these boring YouTubers that be like, okay, 2 + 2 is 4. You add a lot size here, you get this broker. I'm entertaining. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna make you laugh while I put y'all on game. So smash the like button and subscribe with the post notifications on. You know what I'm saying? And let's hop right into this. Wait, before we hop into this video, follow me on Instagram. You know what I'm saying? Follow me on Instagram. It's I don't know what corner it is. I feel like it's up there, but I also think it's up there. It's somewhere on the top there at @gvert_. You know what I'm saying? I'm coming out with a signals group very soon. A lot of people have been begging me to post my trades when I'm hopping into trades and all that stuff. So I am going to be starting one. It's actually going to be released on Tuesday. We're gonna have a huge sale on it. It'll be a monthly subscription, but if you enroll on Tuesday, your monthly subscription will be locked in at a way lower price than it will be for everybody else that does not get in on Tuesday. So follow me on Instagram so you stay updated with all of that. Plus, I'm a cool dude. You know what I'm saying? We be vibing there. Feel free to DM me any questions. I'm a cool guy. I be responding. You know what I'm saying? So I told you to wait because I just want you to follow me on Instagram, like all my pictures, DM me. Let's be friends. But without further ado, let's hop right into this. All right, so here we are on the Funded Trader account dashboard. You know what I'm saying? As you see, my total account equity is $110,000 and $110,600. You know what I'm saying? The profit goal was $10,000 on this account. I couldn't surpass $6,000 in daily loss, and I also could not go below $12,000 from my initial amount. So I started with a $100,000 account. I couldn't go below $88,000 or I would have lost the challenge. If we look right here, this is the amount of time that I've actually started the whole challenge or whatever like that. As you see, I have active trading days. I have 6 out of 5 active trading days. So I did need a minimum of 5 active trading days. That's the only reason you know what I'm saying, I prolonged it for this long, you know what I'm saying? But in all seriousness, I did it in less than a week, which is absolutely amazing. I'm cool with that. You know what I'm saying? I was explaining to y'all in the other videos, if you have not watched the whole journey up to this, I've been journaling every single trade I've taken in this funded challenge, why I took it, the losses. I showed you guys the wins, I showed you guys the losses, all of that. But in my last video on this challenge journey series thing, I told y'all I'm up in the lot size, so I'm getting bored. I was tired of playing it safe. Not really safe. I was playing it super safe. I still played it safe. Don't get it twisted. You know what I'm saying? Because you have to be your risk management has to be A1 like the steak sauce if you're trying to do these challenges or even just be a profitable trader overall. So I'm still obviously very safe, but I decided to just go out a little bit more, put a little bit higher lot sizes. So that's why I was able to. I had a $7,000 trade today, and I'm gonna go through all that, why I took that and everything like that later on in the video, but I do want to show you guys this dashboard and show you all my stats. As you see, my win rate is 57%, loss rate is 43%. The win rate, I really did not have a good win rate this whole session, and it's also the win rate and lose rate does it's not 100% accurate, because if I take half profit on my trades, which I do, it comes out as like 2 wins, or if I take half losses on trades, as I do sometimes, it comes out as 2 losses, even though it's the same one trade, if that makes sense. So the win rate and thing is really not that important to me. Like the win rate, even if it's 57%, you see I still came out profitable. If you can see these numbers down here, it's kind of hard to see them behind this stupid chat box thingy. But how do I put this down? Oh, so the account size was 100,000. Projected annual profit, if I keep up like the same trend that I've been with, the same trades that I've been taking, they say I'll make $507,000 this year. We aiming for $20 billion, you know what I'm saying? So I don't even know why they put this little baby number in front of me. But my average winning trade is 1,500. My average losing trade is 800. Those numbers are still not accurate because like I said, I just recently bumped up the lot size and all that. But anyways, we'll get into that a little bit later. So all them numbers I don't really care about them numbers at the end of the day. I care about the trades that I took. I care about why I took the trades, and all this projected stuff it really doesn't matter to me as long as I'm personally journaling, which I do. And I highly suggest you guys journal every single trade you take, even if it's on your phone or on a notebook. I used to use a notebook, but then I ran out of the notebook, so I put it on my notes tab. I journal every single day when I trade. I journal how I feel after I traded, if I felt like I did good, why I lost the trade, why I won the trade. So I suggest y'all journal, because if you don't journal, you're not gonna know why the heck you won a trade. And you're not gonna know why the heck you lost a trade. So if you start journaling, you'll actually be able to identify patterns within yourself. You know what I'm saying? Because it's not the market that's making you lose. It's you. You'll notice that you either didn't wait for your confirmations, you didn't follow your strategy all the way. You was too eager to hop into the trade. You was too scared to hop into a trade. So if you are trading and you see all these things keep coming, but you don't like write it down or take note of it, then you just the failure or the mistake is just gonna keep happening. So that's why you have to journal and see for yourself how stupid you are sometimes, or how stupid I am, because that was one of my problems. Well, a bunch of those problems was my problems. But this is the account right here. I'm actually waiting for it to get. It has to go through another process. I just have to get 5% on that, then I actually get the whole account. But I'm not gonna journal that whole thing, because 5% is really easy. 10% is honestly very easy too. Like I said, this one trade got me the 7% that I needed. If I'm risking 2% every single trade, and usually my risk to reward ratio is like a 3 to 1, like I'm getting technically like 6% for every win, and I might lose 2% if I lose. But yeah, like I said, it's really like getting 10% is really not that hard. So I might do another challenge. I don't know. Y'all let me know if y'all want me to do one. But let's dive into the trade that I actually took. So this morning was NFP week, which is basically a huge news event. I'm not going to bore you guys with the news, but if you come over here and TradingView, I highly suggest you guys, like, you can't just look at charts. And this was a mistake for me. You know what I'm saying? You cannot just look at charts. You have to understand the news behind a lot of this stuff, because if I didn't know that it was NFP weekend, I would have literally probably messed myself up. Honestly, literally. But if you come on TradingView, it's very easy to do. You come, like, usually everybody stays on this watch list tab, but if you come and click this calendar, it shows you guys every single thing that is going to happen, or everything that has happened. As you see, July 12th, we have some news coming up here, and these colors is very helpful as well, because like that's like how much it might affect the markets. So the red ones obviously will affect the markets a lot. The yellow ones won't as much as the reds, but it still might. But as you see, we had NFP, and we also had unemployment that came at 7:30 this morning, my time, which is Houston time. They have a forecasted number, and then they also have the actual number once it comes out. So when you're like looking at news, it's just like a quick piece of information. When you're looking at news, you have to, like, for employment rate, right? If they forecasted it was 3.6%, and then it came out and unemployment rate was 10%, that means that most likely every U.S. currency is going to drop. So if it's AUD USD, it's going to drop. If it's the NAS 100, it's going to drop, because the value of the dollar has went down. So now everything else is basically following it. So I knew that would happen. I did not enter into a trade until the news came out, and I started seeing some momentum. So when I saw NFP was they forecasted 268K, but the number actually came out to 372. I automatically knew that the market was literally going to tank, because that is way too high of a number than they expected. It is close to what it was before, which is 384K last month. But still, they expected such a low number, but it came out super high. So that caused the market to tank. So I'm automatically looking for sales, and it all aligned with my strategy. Now, I've talked about my strategy multiple different times. I have multiple different strategies. Mainly, I use 2 different strategies. If you want to see every single strategy that I use, I actually have an academy. It's called CryptFi Academy. You can go get the link inside the description. It will literally show you every single strategy that I use when I'm trading, whether it be crypto, whether it be DeFi, whether it be Forex, whatever it is. You know what I'm saying? I have all that information in there. And also, I mentioned before that I'm coming out with the whole Signals chat. If you sign up for that Signals chat, you also going to get access to a course. So I'm going to literally make a course just for Forex Signals, and you'll get access to that just for being on that monthly subscription, which I think is super cool. You're not just being able to follow every single trade I take if you want to follow that, but you can also learn how to do it your freaking self. Because I'm technically putting myself out of business, because I don't want y'all leeching off of me. I don't want y'all just following my trades. I want y'all to know why I took the trades. I want y'all to be able to take the trades yourself, so y'all can make money yourself, and I don't got to be grinding 24/7 to put out trades for y'all. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I want to put like the course thingy inside of the signals trading thingy once it comes out on Tuesday, which is the 12th. Like I said, y'all go follow me on Instagram at Juver_ to stay updated with all of that. But I was saying all that to say it all aligned with my breakout strategy. And how my breakout strategy works, I just make a box around the London session. As you see right here, this is the London session. These candles from this green candle up until, I believe, this candle. Yeah, I believe this candle. That is the London session. But as soon as the New York session opens, I'm looking for breakouts. I draw a box around the high and the low of the London session, and I'm waiting for breakouts in either direction of that box. Obviously, I want to have a bias. I personally would have wanted buys. The only reason I went in for a sell is because of the news that came out. It's the only reason I went in for a sell, but it is on an uptrend overall, so I would have wanted to see buys for me to be really confident about it. But this is the trade I took down here. So once I draw my boxes on the 15-minute time frame, I came down to the 5-minute time frame just to wait for a super nice breakout, which is this big old red candlestick. It was kind of iffy because this like skinny line came, and I wasn't really that confident about the trade anymore, but I still decided to hop in just because of the news backing it. I know how powerful news is and how much it affects the market. I always have a 20 pip stop loss on these type of trades. I used to put the stop loss above the box, but I realized if it passed 20 pips up, most likely it was going to hit this out too. So I might as well have just always kept the 20 pip stop loss, giving this trade room to breathe, but also not letting me waste and be risking 61 pips instead of just the 20 pips that I am risking right now. Then I set my take profit. Really, I originally had my take profit for all the way down here at this last low, but I only needed an additional like 4,000 or 6,000 or something. I think it was like additional $6,000 or $7,000 to complete the challenge. So I ended up closing the trade early, literally right here. And it actually came out at the perfect time because as you see, it did end up reversing and going back into this area and breaking out on the upside. Then it was kind of consolidating, going up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So that is actually what happened. That's how I was able to pass the challenge. But I did miss 3 trades that I did not tell you guys about. And I took those trades yesterday. The reason I didn't tell you guys about them is because I was still in the trades by the time I wanted to shoot the video, and I didn't want to make a video while I was still in a trade. I wanted to give you guys like the final results. So this was the trade that I took yesterday. Beautiful, beautiful trade. It's the exact same thing. I had a box above here. This was the London session over here. I waited for a breakout, which is this beautiful, beautiful fat candle, you know what I'm saying? Put my stop loss here. I mean, I entered in a trade right here, and my stop loss, I had my stop loss literally like right down here, which played out perfectly. And this was a huge trade, cashing 172 pips, but I didn't have a huge lot size on this one because I just lost 2 trades beforehand. So I only made it roughly $3,000 on this trade, which basically made up for my 2 lost trades that I had right here. I got greedy. I had this one trade. It was doing well. It was in my favor. I was up roughly 20 pips at that point. So I decided to enter to another trade because I saw a lot of volume. I had my take profits up here, but as you see, it came and took me out of both trades. This trade ended up being break even, so I didn't lose money on this trade. But this trade right here, I did end up losing roughly $3,000 worth on this trade. So I lost $3,000 here, but I made it back on this trade. So my account was sitting at roughly, I want to say 103 or 104,000. And then this trade just put the icing on the freaking cake and passed us the challenge. So those are the trades that I took. If you want to see every single other trade I took during this whole challenge, like I said, it's been less than a week of actual trading. It's been 6 trading days, and 2 of those trading days really don't count because I was in Arizona on vacation. I was just, you know what I'm saying, I wasn't really like zoned in. I was just like, oh, this looks cool, let me hop into a trade here. And I'm pretty sure I lost every trade I put in Arizona. It wasn't huge losses, but it was still, you know what I'm saying, losses. But if you want to see every trade that I have put, go back and watch all the other videos that I did make journaling this whole process. I think it's only like 3 or 4 other videos, which is lit. But that's the end of the video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Did y'all think I was gonna do it? Did y'all think I was gonna fail? Did y'all think the GOAT himself was going to flop the funded challenge? You should have known better. Never bet against the GOAT. You know what I'm saying? But a lot of you guys did tell me that you guys wanted me to do like a flipping challenge, like $100 to $1,000 challenge or something like that. Y'all let me know if y'all want that. Y'all gotta smash the like button. Cause it'd be a lot of time. Cause like I be thinking, right? If I flip 100 to 1,000, I could have flipped a 100K account to a million account. With the same amount of time that I'm flipping 100 to 1,000. You know what I'm saying? So y'all really got to convince me to do it. Y'all got to spam in the comments down below. Do the flip challenge. Do the flip challenge. We want to see you flip the little money to the big money. And I do it. You know what I'm saying? But you got to smash the like button and all that. But that's really about it. Let me know what y'all think in the comments down below. Make sure to go follow me on Instagram at Juver_ so you can stay updated when the whole signals chat comes in, so y'all can follow every trade I take. Y'all know my stop loss, y'all know my entry, y'all know my take profits. I'm also going to have a bunch of elite traders in there as well that's also doing 6-7 figure weeks and months and all that. You know what I'm saying? It's going to be a good community. It's going to be a community where you can just join and also learn while you earn. You know what I'm saying? That's what they call it. Learn and earn. You know what I'm saying? Learn and earn, baby. That's what we like. So follow me on Instagram and stay updated with all that. And if you want to get the academy, of course, critfryacademy.com. Link inside the description, also in the comments down below. And yeah, that's really about it. Go look on your trades. Go look on your funded challenges. Go look on your mama finally taking you serious as a trader. Go look on your girlfriend coming back after leaving you because you lost 3 trades in a row. Go look on your sister whose boyfriend beat you up. Go look on life as a whole, man. And I'm going to see you on the next video.